Do you guys know how life first formed? Let's go check it out. Hi, this is Caleb here. Today we are going to be talking about the origin of life, and I think this is actually one of the strongest arguments for creationism. So let's go check it out. You probably heard about Miller's experiment. He made amino acids the building blocks of life in an experiment, but there are a few problems with what he did. One of those problems is that he used the wrong atmosphere to represent early Earth. He used methane, ammonia, and hydrogen to represent the atmosphere of early Earth. We now know that wasn't what early Earth's atmosphere was like. It was composed of water, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen, and you certainly don't get the same reaction. In Miller's experiment, only 1 to 2 of the end product was actually amino acids, meaning that the amino acids didn't just react with each other, they had lots of other chemicals to react with, making it near impossible to explain how a protein could have been formed. If we assume that all the carbon on Earth is amino acid, and amino acids can react at a rate of 10 to the 12 per second for a million years, we conclude that it is incredibly improbable that one functional protein is formed, as H.P. Yoger has pointed out. Evolutionists have said the cell is evolved to get more complex. They say this because it's easier to form a less complex cell than a more complex cell. But even if this is true, in order to get the most simplest cell, you need DNA, and it has to be able to reproduce and make energy. So even if you make amino acid, that still isn't life. You also need DNA, and the amino acids have to come together to form proteins, which come together to form structural and functional parts of the cell. And you also need DNA for it to be able to reproduce and make energy. These amino acids have to be in the right order to make a protein. And these proteins need to be in the right order in order to make a component of the cell. So I hope you guys are seeing that the chances of this actually happen is very, very little. These amino acids have to come together in the right order and the right orientation. They can come together in 4 different orientations, but only one of those is found in nature. One problem with the explanations for origin of life is they don't include how DNA was formed. Now, DNA is much more complicated than amino acids, and it can't be reproduced in a lab that looks anything like early Earth. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more about Christianity, there's a link down in the description below, and my citations down there too. As always, have a great day. Bye!